Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money as a SEO expert. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. If you're interested in making money in the field of search engine optimization, then this video is for you. In this video, we will show you how to find a profitable niche, do keyword research, create an SEO optimized website, drive traffic to your website, and convert traffic into customers. We'll also go over some common misconceptions about SEO and mistakes people make when trying to make money with SEO. First, let's discuss what SEO is and how it can help you make money. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of improving the ranking of a website on search engines. The higher the ranking, the more likely users are to click on the site. There are two primary types of SEO, on-site SEO and off-site SEO. On-page SEO refers to optimizations that can be made directly on a website, such as optimizing title tags and meta descriptions. Off-page SEO refers to optimizations that are not made directly on a website, such as link building and social media engagement. One of the benefits of SEO is that it can help increase traffic to your website. More traffic usually means more opportunities to convert visitors into customers or leads. SEO also helps establish brand awareness and credibility, which can lead to more opportunities to make money. Additionally, SEO can help you save money on advertising costs over time. By ranking high organically for relevant keywords, you will get clicks from users without having to pay for ads each time someone clicks on your listing. In the long run, this can lead to significant savings on your marketing budget, which can then be used elsewhere in your business. Now, let's talk about finding a profitable niche. This is the first step in making money as a SEO expert. To find a profitable niche, you need to understand the needs and wants of your target market. One way to do this is by using keyword research tools. These tools can help you understand which keywords and phrases people are searching for and how competitive those keywords are. You can also look for gaps in the market, and talk to other experts in your field to get an idea of what's working and what's not. Once you've found a niche that has the potential to be profitable, you need to do keyword research. This will help you understand which keywords and phrases people are searching for and how competitive those keywords are. This information will help you create an SEO optimized website that will attract the right kind of traffic. After you have your website set up, you need to drive traffic to it. There are many ways to do this, including creating content, building links, and using social media. The key is to be consistent and to always be looking for new ways to drive traffic. Finally, you need to convert traffic into customers. This can be done through a variety of methods, including creating landing pages, using calls to action, and optimizing your website for conversions. Additionally, it's important to be aware of some common misconceptions about SEO. Some people might think that SEO is a one-time thing, or that you can buy your way to the top of the search results. But in reality, SEO is an ongoing process, and you can't buy your way to the top. It takes time and effort to see results. Another common mistake is not keeping up with the latest SEO best practices. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing, and what worked yesterday may not work today. It's important to stay current with the latest SEO trends and best practices in order to be successful in this field. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money as a SEO expert. By understanding SEO, finding a profitable niche, doing keyword research, creating an SEO optimized website, driving traffic to your website, and converting traffic into customers, you will be on your way to success in the field of search engine optimization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.